Hello everybody. In this lesson I will explain a typical question that you can expect in the exam on statistics, more specifically quartiles and standard deviation. Question 1. Mr. Pythagoras conducted a survey on the amount of airtime in rands each student had on his or her cell phone. He summarized the data in the box and whiskers diagram below. Number 1. Write down the 5-number summary for the data. Now, that is, we start with the lowest number is 12, Q1 is 17, Q2, the median is 30, Q3 is 38, and the highest value or number is 65. Number 2. Determine the interquartile range. Now there's a little formula. IQR equals Q3 minus Q1, which is 38 minus 17. Therefore, the interquartile range is 21. Number 3. Comment on the skewness of the data. Now, remember there is a little formula that you can use, but in this case you don't have the mean, enough information. Therefore, you can just look at your box and whiskers diagram and say that the data is positively skewed to the right. 1.2. A group of 13 students indicated how long it took in hours before their cell phone batteries required recharging. The information is given below, and then I give you the information. 1.2.1. Calculate the value of y if the mean for the data is 41. Now this question is a bit different to all the other questions because usually they give you all the data and they ask for the mean. Now the mean was given that it's 41. And you will see that there is also a y, an unknown, in your data. So what you will do is, the formula for the mean is x bar is equal to sigma of all the entries divided by n. So what you do is in x bar's place, in the means place, you substitute 41. And then where the 439 comes from is I added all the numbers plus the y divided by 13. Now I will solve y, so I will multiply by 13 both sides. 41 times 13 is 533, and then the 439 will walk across and it becomes negative, and you find y. Therefore y's value is 94. 1.2.2. If y is equal to 94, calculate the standard deviation of the data. Now, remember we worked out y's value in the previous sums, and luckily our answer was 94. So my advice to you is, if you didn't get 94, rather use the answer. Now, to find the standard deviation, there's some calculated steps. Mode to stat, and then we choose number 1 var. Now we will enter all the data items. You can do that. You can pause the video and quickly do it with me. Add in all the data items and press equals. Then AC. We choose shift 1 stat and then number 5 var, and then number 3 for standard deviation. And the answer, standard deviation, is 30.94. In the next video, I will explain another exam question on statistics, more specifically Ogive and box and whiskers diagram. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.